Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change headlight BMW X3. Begin by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Wear gloves and eye protection, and allow bulbs to cool completely. Gather tools like a T20 bit, trim puller, and replacement bulb. Work with a soft towel to protect paint. Follow the steps slowly to avoid breaking clips or misaligning the new headlight assembly. With the hood open, locate the retaining screws and clips securing the headlight and nearby bumper trim. Carefully remove screws using a T20 bit and use a trim puller to release plastic clips without damaging them. Slightly pull the bumper cover back if needed for clearance. Unscrew the headlight mounting bolts and gently slide the assembly forward until you can reach the bulb housing and wiring connector for the next step. Disconnect the wiring connector and rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Remove the old bulb and handle the new one by its base. Never touch the glass with bare hands. Insert the bulb, align the tabs, and twist to lock it in place. Reconnect the wiring and test high and low beams. Once confirmed, slide the headlight back, tighten bolts, and reinstall trim and clips to finish the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.